Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show. This is episode 219, and I've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target, some that are selling well right now, some that'll be selling well in a few weeks, and some that'll be selling well in a month. So I'm giving you the full spectrum today. Let's get right to it. Let's begin with an Amazon merch sales update. In the last 7 days, I made 410 sales. 314 came on the US market, bringing in $1,131 in royalties. By the way, if you missed it, on the first of every month, I do post my full month sales, including my ad spend. It's roughly $2 a day, but if you missed that, make sure you follow me on Instagram, linked in the description, so you can get daily sales updates and see my month in review and plenty of other things, keep up to date with me. All right, let's check out the top 10. This is without me doing any curating. These are the current top 10 bestsellers on Amazon merch after we filter out the protected brands, like Star Wars, Disney, etc. So I see a consistent theme. It's actually kind of consistent with the past episode. Was it 1 episode or 2 episodes? Time's flying, isn't it? Anyways, Kamala Harris is dominating the top of the merch trends. And I don't know about you guys, but I've been making a lot of sales in this niche, in general, in the political niche, okay? Hopefully you are too. More on that later, but this is the top 10. And that's going to feed into my decision about niche number 1 right now that is your top priority. How about Kamala Harris, but also the cat aspect? Because I don't know how hard you looked, but the Kamala plus a cat element seems to be very popular right now. It's not the only way to go about selling in the Kamala Harris niche, but it certainly is one of the most popular among customers. Okay, so Kamala plus cat element. Okay, and you can see a bunch of different ways. Like this one shirt design is pretty cool. I don't know if it's just one design that's on different products. I think I saw multiple of them. It's like almost like they made text out of little cats, and I don't know if that's like a font or something. If they designed it themselves, well done. Love to see them getting rewarded for a unique design. BSR on that V-neck is 1,900. BSR on the standard shirt, 5,500. So they're absolutely killing it with sales. You see cat ladies for Kamala Harris 24 with the cat silhouette. You see the comma with the cat face, La. You see childless cat ladies for Kamala Harris 2024. This childless cat lady is voting Kamala. Childless cat lady, and behind me, overeducated cat lady who votes. Okay, so lots of different ways to spin it. This being the kind of new-ish one, as somebody that does try to keep their finger on the pulse of what's going on in this niche. I hadn't seen this one before, so that's pretty interesting. So niche number 1 was the Kamala Harris with the cat cross niche. Moving on, niche number 2, and here's one that I'm a little bit more excited about, if I'm being honest. Fantasy football. So fantasy football, that's something that I kind of eat, breathe, and sleep all year. I'll be traveling to a destination draft in Las Vegas in 2 weeks. Can't wait for that. It's going to be awesome to catch up with some friends as well. Fantasy football, though, I mean, this is the time of year. You get up at least a month, right? You probably have between today and the next 30 days are where you're going to see the peak demand. And then at the end of the season, the fantasy football season, you're going to see additional demand. So if you go to Google Trends, you're going to see 2 peaks for these shirts, but you can see like commissioner shirts for the league commissioner. The pink shirt with the unicorn says I suck at fantasy football. Those are always popular. More commissioner shirts. Fantasy football champion. Notice the shirt says 3-time champion. Also notice that shirt design is using the Lombardi trophy, and that shirt design will get removed at some point, and whoever uploaded it will likely have their account closed. If you want to know like the type of infringements that get your account closed, it's these right here. All right. Behind me, it says I suck. And then it says something else that got cut off, but I think you can see it. And then it says I came in last place and have to wear this shirt because my friends are such dicks. More commissioner shirts. Yeah. Anyways, you get the gist of it, right? Fantasy football niche. A lot of funny shirts. A lot of pink and purple for the losers. And a lot of unicorns. A lot of poop emojis. All right. Careful about emojis on Amazon merch, by the way. I wouldn't recommend it. Or at least the word emoji. Anyways, hope you guys have fun with that one. I know I will. I know I do every year. Niche number 3, moving on. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, guys, in case you're not on my email list, which you can join, link in the description if you want to, I sent an email out yesterday sharing that my 7-day sales on Amazon Seller Central, not Amazon Merch. So if you're not on Amazon Merch, no worries. Seller Central, 7-day, 659 orders, $7,653 profit. Now you do have to deduct Amazon fees from that. And I didn't run ads to generate those sales. I was making well over $6,000 in 7 days on Amazon alone. Then combine Etsy, 5,800 in profit, deduct your Etsy fees, Etsy ads, maybe spent $250. So yeah, I was averaging well above $1,000 a day from just Amazon and Etsy. By the way, I also list on eBay and Walmart. All right. I had a really good last 7 days, but it's actually been spanning multiple weeks. Okay. I just did the last 7 days for the email. The reason I share this is because I made a course dedicated specifically to political print on demand. This is basically a quick ad for that. If you're interested, the link is in the description. It's going to go live tomorrow on Monday. If you join before then, you save $100. That's the whole, that's why I'm sharing it right now. I will show you how I find the niches before other sellers. I'll do niche alerts and give you a niches list that's curated by me, niches that I'm already selling in that are crushing, and hopefully the new ones. I'll show you my approach to designing in this niche, designs that people like enough to buy. I'll give you done for you templates. I will show you what products to prioritize selling from experience. You already saw the numbers that I'm putting up, and I'm a one-man show, by the way. I'll talk about where to sell them, and then coming back to me reminding you that I'm a one-man show. Efficiency. I will share the exact workflow that I use that allows me to be so successful with this while also running a YouTube channel and all the other things I'm doing, building out this course. This all takes time, but guess what? I'm able to do it because I have a very efficient workflow that I'll be showing you step by step. It's linked in the description. Thank you for letting me share that. Let's move on. Niche number 3, back to school. You've heard me talk about this, but notice when I said back to school, in this case, I said back to school 2024. Does that necessarily mean we're going to get different results? Well, yeah, we do typically get different results. Just adding a word or subtracting a word in Amazon search does tend to change the results it gives you. So I put the 2024 aspect here. Now, I mean, in looking at these results, I don't know that I even see the 2024 number in all, really just 2 designs. This one right here, and then the one all the way in the bottom left that says Little Miss Pre-K. And then they put the school year, 2024 to 2025. But take some inspiration from this. It's tough to crack a popular niche every year in back to school, but by adding that year in your SEO, you know that some people, like some parents buying shirts for their kids or whatever, are going to type that into the search bar. You want to figure out what they want based on studying the existing results that people are buying, and then find a way to make it your own and get some products indexed. You know what I mean? The next time people search for back to school 2024. Or maybe it's back to school 2024, 2025. You see what I'm saying? This is why the search data is so valuable. And that's why I do videos on how to data mine Amazon and data mine Etsy for this information. I mean, it's done for a reason, guys. By the way, if you want to check out Creative Fabrica, they have a ton of back to school design resources. I will link to them in the description. Moving on, niche number 4, pirate shirt. Hear me out. So August is National Pirate Month. All right. No, it's International Pirate Month. Stop me if you had heard that before. Honestly, if I didn't have a list, I would not remember that. So I went to Google Trends and I was like, is there interest in pirate shirt around International Pirate Month? You see these peaks in search interest in Google Trends? And by the way, if I kind of hide myself real quick, you see that we are preceding another big run up, okay? Those peaks though, they actually come in September and October, probably related to Halloween, if we're being honest. So this is not the most valuable recommendation, but the way I see it is, hey, if you put up some pirate-themed shirts today in International Pirate Month, you might lock in a sale because of that. More realistically, based on Google search data from Google Trends, you might lock in a sale next month in September, and then especially likely in October, all right? So pirate shirts. I mean, hey guys, I'm trying to switch it up for you instead of just reminding you of the obvious trends every single week. So pirate shirt, hopefully you can have some fun with that one. The T-Rex, of course, they have the dinosaurs cross-niched with every single niche, I swear. The T-Rex with an eye patch, the pirate hat, the sword, and of course the peg leg. Love that one. That's gotta be my favorite one. Also careful because it looks like there's some like college themed shirts. Wouldn't surprise me if it's like Hampton Pirates. Let me see. Yeah, Hampton Pirates football. Be extremely careful. Do not sell anything related to colleges and universities because you might see some of those in the search results when you do your research. Moving on, niche number 5. Childhood cancer awareness, that is in September. We are a month away from September, and you know that with these month-long niches, you typically see the biggest sales in the first week. Okay, so you're going to want to get out ahead of the sales rush. It's not that these can't sell throughout the whole month, but yeah, you definitely want to have them up before it is September, okay? That could mean right now. It could mean mid-August. It could mean late August. Just get them up, all right? And you can clearly see here, there's a color scheme that you probably want to implement in your designs as well. I love when we have those little signals. It helps me feel confident that I'm making a good design that someone's going to like enough to buy. All right, emerging trends. Here we go. Let's check out these shirts. They're significantly outperforming their 90-day average BSR, and it is pretty much one-dimensional. It's pretty much all the Kamala Harris stuff, and then one shirt, awesome like my daughter, with the fish in the middle, and a Pride Month shirt. Pretty sure that's anti-Pride Month, but anyways, looking ahead, these are smaller niches, at least 1 month out. September 4th, Newspaper Carrier Day. September 5th, Cheese Pizza Day. September 6th, Read a Book Day. September 7th, National Tailgating Day. And September 7th, World Beard Day. All right, the beard niche, I'm just saying, that's one that you can definitely bank on pretty much year round. You don't have to wait for September 7th, but that's one that you can definitely, that's also, even like the beard aspect can be considered a cross niche for a lot of different niches as well. All right, let's look at the archive. This is what was selling well 11 months ago. So maybe what will be selling well 1 month from today. We see some Halloween themed stuff. We see Dot Day. We see Harbaugh shirts, which is like, they're already deleted, of course, because that's related to college football and now the NFL. And then in my defense, I was left unsupervised. 3 of them, all 3 deleted. Interesting. Speaking of removed designs, these were all removed in the last 2 weeks, either by the uploader or by Amazon. So we don't really know. We got some Trump ones. We got Jeezy the Snowman. That's a rapper reference. Childless Cat Lady. Meowdy Partner. It's kind of funny. Professional Crop Duster here. Anyways, so those are some removed designs, guys. Thank you for watching. Quick reminder, the political course linked in the description. We have 6 months of runway to capitalize. And the sales might not slow down. They might pick up. So I would say it is worth it, in my opinion. You already know I'm killing it, and you're going to learn my exact methods. And I'm even providing like done-for-you design templates and niche alerts. It's hard to go wrong. So that's linked in the description. Thank you. All right, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another new video.